We have some incredibly exciting HyperShift experiments to do today with a free raffle worked in. More details on that in a second. Let me first walk you through exactly what the experiment is. Gabe and I were talking and we were kind of going back and forth. What happens when you put one HyperShift and another HyperShift and you mix them together 50-50? We haven't done that enough. Does one HyperShift always overpower the other, or does that combination create almost a new hypershifting effect? We want to know. So we've got 8 colors here, 4 pairs. I'm going to walk you through each pair right now, and then I'll tell you a little about the twist here. So we've got ZGA and ZTN. We've got ZBB and Hyper Holographic. Then ZTP and ZTK, and the last combo is ZTS and ZBO. All of these are going to be sprayed over a black base and then clear coated. Here's the twist. Instead of doing this experiment on plastic speed shapes that just get discarded, we wanted to make this a little more special. So each one of these combos is going to be painted onto a custom tumbler. We're going to paint them, clear coat them, let them dry, and then we're going to give them away to you guys. That way, you guys have a little skin in the game, and we can all get excited together. So I'll give you more details about how to enter the raffle at the end. Gabe and I have a ton of work to do. Are you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment. Now, first things first, I want to show you what each one of the tumblers look like with their unique combination of HyperShifts. Be sure to leave a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Now, we want to raffle these off and ship them directly to you. So to enter the raffle, it's very simple. You just have to be subscribed to our channel and leave a comment on this video. We're going to select 4 random comments. We're going to reply to your comment if you win with instructions on how to get the tumbler. Now, you know the deal. If you want to change the color of your own car or play with any of our paints, head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast on this experiment. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.